Welcome back to Motech Performance. My name's Alex, behind the camera is Jay. Today we have in two Frozen Portimao Blue G87 M2s. One's in for wheels and is a car that we've previously lowered, and the other one is in for more sound with a Remus exhaust and much more go with a performance upgrade.
So, as you can already see, we have this car complete behind us. We actually have two Frozen Portimao Blue M2s in today. The one sitting behind me is actually on IBAC springs, that very factory OEM drop, and our 20-inch MWX wheels in finishing the gloss polished with the 3D cap. So on this particular setup, we can run 2021 like we've done on Ian's car. Ian's car is the black M2, you've probably seen a number of times, or we also do the 2021 setup, very similar to what we've got on our M2 as well. Customers opted to run 20-inch all the way around. That's a good thing because the car is 19 and 20 to start with, and just bringing that 20-inch to the front just squares it off. Very perfect for this OEM sort of vibe of this particular car. We'll go into the colour shortly in a second. What we can manage to do though, so this particular deal is 4 wheels and 2 tyres. So what we actually do is use the original rear tyres to put onto the wheels, and then obviously supply 2 new Michelin Pilot 4S's for the fronts. So it's a square setup, 10.5 by 20, ET12 all the way around, very factory, very sort of nice fitting, and like I said, gives it that sort of OEM plus. Now this customer actually had the gloss black wheel, and now starting to see some of the LCI cars come through. You can now opt for them in the silver finish, and of course when he came here, saw these, absolute perfect. The MW10 is that classic lattice style BMW motorsport look from the E46 M3, that sort of style. And of course we've added with the latest paint finish, the gloss polished. We've introduced that now to across the range, so the 3 and the 1 are already available, and we're going to do a lot more vlogs with them coming soon. We have it now in the 4 and of course in the 10. And yet again, the 3D center cap, or 3-part center cap should I say, gloss black bezel, carbon obviously, drop panel, and then the top finish to match the wheels. Absolutely stunning. Silver hardware to finish it off, and silver wheel weights just to complete the look. What a look of a car. Let us know what you think of this one. Enjoy the B-roll and wait to hear the exhaust on the other blue one.
So as a running theme this week is the M2. We thought we'd just run back to our M2 real quick and show you exactly what we used during our detailing process to get this car looking how it does today. So on the right hand side you'll see our very own kit that you can find on our website. This is our essential maintenance kit, and it has all the G10 products that you need to get your car looking tip top and keep it looking good for longer. Now you have everything from your wash, your snow foam, your interior pieces, and also your wash mitts and drying towels. Like I said, it's going to get everything done from start to finish. No need to get anything else. You can just buy one kit, everything's in there and ready to go. Now on the website as well, if you do buy this kit and you need some top-ups, you can go on the drop down and grab yourself the individual bottles, because we do sell them on there as well. Now on the left hand side you're going to see this kit. Now this kit was given to us by G-Technic. This car's actually sponsored by the company as well. So on this car we have Crystal Ultra XOV5, great combination, 9 years of guaranteed protection, and we also have our hydrophobic top layer as well to keep the car looking cleaner for longer too. On the right hand side we have the interior pieces, so we have I1 and we have L1. That keeps the interior looking tip top, and also the carpet is protected as well. So if we do spill any water in there for whatever reason, it will just bead up just like the paintwork and we can chuck it out. Now we also have G1, which is the clear vision smart glass. That also, again, you just seen a previous video where we showed you the benefits of having your glass coated. Really good product to have on the glass. Lasts up to 2 years or 20,000 miles is what G10 recommend. And we also got the other two just here, trim protector, and we also have the wheel protector as well. So C4 and C5. So these products are really good and essential for not only the plastics like the engine bay, for example, but also the wheel coatings, making sure these wheels look exactly the same for as long as they can. And lastly, we've got the cloths as well, MF6s and the MF1s, which again you can find on our website, but these cloths are specific for the coating. So we have MF6s for CSU and we have the MF1s for EXO. So we're going to show you around the car real quick and let us know what you think.
So Blake's been hard at work on the car all day long, and we have now got the full Maxton gloss black kit fitted to the car, which completely changes the dynamic. We've paired it up with a set of spacers. The customer dailies the car, so didn't want it too low on the front, hence why we've left it at standard height. We've done the carbon arch guards to protect the frozen blue paint going up the side of the door, and most importantly, I think the Remus Race has made the biggest difference to this car. The depth and the tone of the car is now amazing, and the titanium tips in that Maxton diffuser look lovely. Finished off with the performance upgrade, this car is completely transformed. Let's get the car outside and have a listen to what it sounds like.